Where's the ticket?
And the ticket, okay.
This one the ticket.
Okay, where are you going?
To ride the aeroplane.
You are going to? Where are you going?
Jogja.
Not Jogja. Pretend that you are going to America. Going to school.
Jakarta.
Okay, you go to Jakarta first.
Okay.
Okay. How come you jump to the aeroplane? Aeroplane is so big and so high. Okay. Okay. Fasten your seat belt first.
Clack.
Okay.
Clack.
I ask you again. Ardell, where are you going?
Jakarta.
I'm going to.
I'm going to Jakarta.
After you going to Jakarta, and then you going to.
Jogja.
After you going to Jogja, you're going to
Jogja. I go.
to. You want to see in the snow?
No, I went to the go home.
Go home.
Yeah.
Uh,
Ride the car.
and then.
Come on.
Hey,
I ride train first then.
you ride what?
Train first.
Train.
Yeah.
You are already in the aeroplane. How come you ride it to train?
After riding an aeroplane,
Huh?
aeroplane get down.
Uh-huh.
I go with car.
And then.
Ride the ride the train, and then train stop, and then go home.
Oh yeah.
Like that.
Okay. Now pretend you are in the aeroplane, yeah.
Yeah.
Get done. You reached to Jakarta already. Say goodbye to everybody first. Goodbye
Wait.
to everybody first.
Wait, yeah.
Yeah. Bye. Get down.
Bye bye.
Yeah.
I want to ride the train first.